choose one in which you think that you will most grow up in faith into the image of the Son, which is God's call on our lives. And this is part of how we as a people grow up and fulfill that command and calling. I invite you all to come and to be a part of that, to join and commit to a class over this next term so that we may learn and grow together. You'll see in your announcements a couple of organ concerts that will take place this week, one this evening and one part of our concert art series this Friday evening. I invite you to come and to bring your neighbors for that as well. The Lord be with you.
And also with you.
This is kind of an exciting week because it's Vacation Bible School week, but it's also kind of an exciting week because God has brought his people to a very special place. Remember that the cloud was over the people of Israel during the day and a pillar of fire at night. When it moved, they were to move. When it stopped, they stopped. The Bible tells us that 3 months to the day after the Red Sea had parted and God had redeemed them out of their slavery in Egypt, he took them to a mountain, Mount Sinai. And Moses had led the people there. And then God spoke to Moses and said, Moses, I want you to stay here and to make an encampment. And I have some things I want you to tell people. I want you to tell the people not to go up this mountain. Not one of them, not ever. But Moses, I'm going to invite you to come up the mountain. But right now I want to tell you, Moses, that of all of the nations of the world, I have picked this people to become my nation, a nation of priests, a holy nation. Tell this to the people. The Bible says that Moses told the people that God had called them to become God's nation, a people for God. And the people said, we will do this. God also spoke to Moses and told him, again, I want you to put Aaron in command, but Moses, now I want you to come up the mountain and by yourself, because I will meet you there. And the Bible says that Moses began to go up the mountain, and on the mountain there was great billowing clouds of smoke as there was fire on that mountain. And Moses went up